Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to bring back modem mode. You may have it not working or not showing up. There is a way. First turn on your mobile internet and maybe it will work. You can just set it up by going to settings. Press personal hotspot and configure. But if it does not work for you, there is a way that you can get it back. To do this, press mobile data. Now press mobile data network. You go down and you see here personal hotspot. It might not say internet. We have to delete everything here and write on one word internet. Then you can leave here and you will automatically get mobile data and personal hotspot. Now we can click here and distribute the internet. Usually the name of your iPhone is written here. This is such a great way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.